Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a little bit of code to prevent users from seeing the products on this index page. So here is the index page, and what I want to do is hide that from people. I just want to log out and make sure that my session is finished, index.php, but I can still see this. Okay, so if you go to here, you'll see this session info. What we want to do is actually trying to make sure that that is, I'll put that code, I'll put that reworked code back up. I want to put it in here, right? So it's going to start the session, check if the user's logged in, and if not, it's going to take them to the login page, right? So I save that. Yeah, we're good. Let's go back to here, I refresh, and it takes you back to the login page. So that is a simple way just to sort of make sure that Joe Blogs can't edit the products or delete products, and only people who are logged in are able, or who've got admin rights especially, are able to delete products. Okay, and that is a very short introduction to sessions.